I got another video uploading on a 510 Insight, guys. And I've also been watching this. The female teacher crisis he's talking about is female teachers entering inappropriate relationships with their students and getting off with probation instead of prison time. Showing just how corrupt our system is. You guys see this. Oh, ho, ho. They did not forecast heavy rain for the early morning, but look at what's happening. It is pouring down. It is pouring out there. Oh, wow. Yeah, I forgot this blind doesn't want to close the opposite direction. I have to have it blinds facing up. But it is pouring. I did not expect it to start raining that heavily that fast.
Likely be between $525 and $600. This is because deductions, like income tax and Social Security, usually...
Let's see what that goes to in monthly. That's more than I've ever gotten, guys. More than I've ever gotten from a single employer. Now, okay, it misunderstood that. I think it misunderstood that. Yeah, that's even more than I made at Amazon. Not by much, but definitely more. I'd be able to get these apartments over here real easy. Well, it stopped raining earlier. It's raining again now. I won't be able to do any dashing today, so I'm going to have to do a couple hours of dashing tomorrow after my job interview. With another known store down in Carytown. And I sit down because it's actually south of here. I know how to get there on bike, but I'm not going to be doing that this time because I don't need to be going in there all sweaty. I'm going to take the bus to get there. Bike will be coming with me though. So that I can bike my way back here. Get everything ready in time so that I can actually go to downtown and start dashing till about 9:30, 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's coming, man. That's no color too.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna stay.
No.
Yeah, but I was like, man, I felt so bad. You know, I felt bad. I really felt bad. But I thank you, appreciate you taking them out, you know.
You guys saw it's snowing out there now. It's only just now starting to stick here. Some of the schools, it is sticking right now. But I want you guys to see this right now. This is going to be a tough one. Look at that. Oh wow, they're setting up a GoFundMe for her funeral expenses. Okay. Honestly. Yeah, that's her. That's her. She may have been heavy set and overweight, but apparently she was a huge piece of the school's culture, of that college's culture. Even if that culture is a little bit controversial. Controversial, if you guys want to, you know. Anyways, only thing we can do is hope they pull through. Oh, it's coming down. It is really coming down now. Woohoo! And it's still barely sticking though. Holy crap! I might not be able to dash anytime soon. That's gonna hurt. Holy cow! It's coming down good. It's coming down even crazier. Wow. Yeah, it's sticking to the cars pretty well, but the ground, still hardly anything. It's crazy. Look at that. Sun's back out. So it's done. Rain and snow. Yeah, this is kind of funny. As I'm watching this YouTube video on my TV, I've got a VDOT video playing. A VDOT, basically watching live footage of a VDOT traffic cam here in Henrico County. It looks like traffic's starting to get a little rough. Yeah, that'll be fun. But then again, I don't have to worry about it because I won't be going on the interstate. Nor will I be going on that particular highway, which is right off of Staples Mill. Where I'm going to be going tomorrow, I can just take a little trip to Willow Lawn. And if I wanted to, I could ride my bike all the way to Carytown. This will be interesting. Now I'm hoping I get a position more if it's a stalker there, because you get better pay that way. I'm not looking for part-time. At least not at the moment. And I'm not looking for seasonal either. I have to laugh at this. Now GRH 928, yeah, I'm going to keep doing both. Dashing and looking for a job. That's not... In fact, there is a good chance I might get my current job, but I'm going to make sure I have a few others lined up. Just in case. Now, as for this guy, I gotta laugh. His sarcasm is just stupid. I can tell when someone's being sarcastic and when they're not. And I don't recall the last time I actually called someone out. If anything, majority of the content creators I mention, I'm not calling them out, I'm shouting them out. Yeah. I didn't really realize what time it was when I went to sleep, guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next video.